To make money translating online articles, you don't need any talent, technical abilities, or even to be a native speaker. You may get money simply by utilizing Google Translate to translate articles. Basically, a customer will provide you articles or PDFs to translate for him at a specific time and in a specific language. Latium is the name of the freelancing site that you will utilize. Let's get started with the video. So what exactly is Latium freelancing and what services does it provide? Latium.org is a microjob site where you may earn money by doing tiny tasks. If you're unfamiliar with the term, a microjob site is a type of website where companies advertise tasks that are often one-time employment for site users. The member will then just have to apply for the work, and if approved, he or she will be required to finish it within the specified time frame. This is a good site that most clients will use to pay you to translate their projects or articles if they don't have time. The majority of consumers there spend between $100 and $3,000. We must now study the income options offered by Latium freelancing in order to completely comprehend how it operates. This should also give you an indication of how much money you'll be able to make from it. Option 1. Projects. The projects are the site's primary source of revenue for users. When you log into the site, go to the For Freelancers tab to see all of the projects that are available. Completing tasks is the most common way to make money on Latium. You may also sort the projects by the category to which they belong. The category will inform you of the project's nature. Simply select the project you want to work on and begin working on it. Then you'll be brought to a page with project specifics. You must first bid on a project before you can begin working on it. Consider it an opportunity to make your case for why you should be employed. When you bid on a project, you must specify the amount you wish to be paid as well as the delivery time, that is the date on which you can finish the project. The amount you can request should be within the project budget range, which is also shown on the details page. You should not expect your bid to be accepted if it exceeds the budget. When it comes to the date, it's also quite significant. You must ensure that the requirements are delivered within the deadline you specified, as failing to do so would jeopardize your credibility as a freelancer. As a result, don't just enter any date you like. You must carefully estimate when you will be able to complete the job. If your bid is approved but you miss the deadline, you will not only be paid, but you will also lose your freelancing credibility. One thing to keep in mind is that some of their assignments will require you to have a verified freelancer account, while others will not. As a result, double check that before placing a bid. If your offer is approved, as previously stated, you must produce the deliverables within the time frame you specified. The employer will then examine your work, and if everything is in order, you will be paid, and your Latium freelancing account balance will be credited. If you are not paid for a job you believe you have finished, you can communicate with the employer using Latium's chat feature. You'll have to handle it on your own because arbitration and mediation aren't accessible at the moment. That is essentially how their initiatives function. You submit a bid for it, and if it is accepted, you begin your work on it. When you've completed the project's requirements, you submit it for evaluation. You will be paid if the employer finds your job to be satisfactory. You may work on as many projects as you like, but you must ensure that you deliver, since if you fail to complete a project, your freelancer approval rate will drop, and you will have a difficult time having new projects accepted. As a result, it is suggested that you only take on jobs that you are confident you can complete. Option 2. Participate in a referral scheme. You may also make money on Latium freelancing by inviting others to join the site. You only need to provide the invite link to the person you wish to invite. When that individual registers after clicking the link, they will become your referral. They will become your referral regardless of whether they sign up as a freelancer or as an employer. When your recommendation becomes active on the site, you will receive further incentives. On the Latium exchange, you will receive 50% of the exchange fees paid by your referrer. You'll also get a quarter of any project payments, 10% of any new subscriptions and renewals, and 10% of any verification. In our opinion, the commission rates you will receive are rather reasonable. It's a good way to make money, especially if you can acquire employer references. All you have to do now is make sure the folks you invite are serious about working on Latium freelancing. You'll be wasting your time otherwise. How do you get paid? This is when Latium freelancing gets tough. You will be paid in either crypto or US dollars after you complete a job. It will mostly rely on the employer as to how much you will be paid. The payment will be shown on the project's details page, so when you finish a job, you'll know how much you'll get paid. However, you must pay a project fee to Latium freelancing for each project you finish that pays you. The amount you must pay will be determined by the type of account you have. Free, verified, and pro accounts are the 3 types of accounts available. You have 2 options for withdrawing your profits. You must use PayPal to withdraw your US dollar profits. They only have this option for cash withdrawals. You don't have to achieve a particular amount to withdraw your funds, but keep in mind that PayPal withdrawals always include a $5 transaction charge, which is very expensive. So before you withdraw your profits, keep in mind the transaction charge you'll have to pay. To reduce the charge you must pay, you should only withdraw a substantial amount, like $100 or more. You have the option of withdrawing your crypto profits to your crypto wallet or trading for other cryptocurrencies. Latium Trading is Latium Freelancing's own cryptocurrency exchange platform. If you wish to combine all of your cryptocurrency profits into one cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin or Litecoin, this can be quite useful. There will be a transaction charge exactly like PayPal withdrawals. The good news is that the charge for crypto withdrawals will be modest. Latium Freelancing also accepts virtually every cryptocurrency currently accessible, which is a nice thing. It's always beneficial to have more choices. Their payment method is a little confusing at first, but it will become second nature after you get used to it. We enjoy that they accept PayPal and cryptocurrency payments. How much money do you think you'll be able to make? The amount of money you make through Latium Freelancing is mostly determined by the amount of time you are prepared to devote to it. This is due to the fact that most of the projects accessible will take some time to finish. The amount you will make from each job will often vary from $50 to $100, which is a substantial sum. However, there will be numerous smaller projects that are quicker to complete but of course pay less. The remuneration for each assignment, in our perspective, is quite reasonable. Some employers have a more substantial budget than others. It's up to you to figure out which is which. The wonderful thing about their method is that you get to decide how much money you make. Of course, it must still fit inside the employer's budget. Is it possible to utilize it on a mobile device? Although Latium Freelancing does not have a mobile app, you can use a mobile web browser to visit the website from a mobile device. Their website is mobile-friendly, so you can simply navigate it and read the material without having to zoom in. This will allow you to bid on jobs whenever it is convenient for you, even if you are not in front of your computer. However, the majority of the work that has to be done will necessitate the usage of a laptop or desktop computer. The only other time you'll use your phone is if you're working on a project that requires you to download mobile applications, or if you just want to check or withdraw your profits. Latium Freelancing is a global service. You may register as a freelancer from anywhere in the world, but you must be at least 18 years old to do so. That concludes today's video. Thank you for sticking with us all the way to the finish, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!